Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to get more clients using the phone. Okay, so you guys want to get 4, 5, 6 clients every single month like clockwork. Here's what you need to do. Okay, you need to grab your phone. Okay, you need to go to Craigslist. You need to go to Yelp. You need to go to Google. You need to go to Facebook. Okay, you need to find a few businesses to call. All right, I'm going to show you guys how to do this. All right, pick your phone up and you need to make calls. Okay, let me show you guys how to do this. All right, a lot of you guys want to know how to get more clients. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. All right, I'm going to show you guys. This is how I get, clients every week like clockwork. It's really simple. You pick the phone up, you find a few people to call, and you call them. Okay. Show you how to do this. You guys hear this? That's the sound of money. It's the sound of money.
Thomas, Candy Services.
Hey, yeah, I had seen your ad on Craigslist. I had a quick question for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was wondering, are you guys interested in generating some junk hauling leads for your business?
Not right now. We're kind of all set up with multiple parties, and we have things kind of going on for us right now.
Well, many people I speak with, they tell me the same thing you did before they found out what we do. What are you guys doing outside of Craigslist?
We do Yelp, Home Advisor, and Google Ads.
Okay, so here's my thing. I've been doing social media for about 7 years. We're very good at it. I just wanted to shoot you some details. I work with a few other junk haulers. We're able to get them anywhere from 10 to 15 calls a day. And I just want to let you guys know what we can do for you, okay? Is that okay?
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. By chance, do you think you can give me a call maybe in a couple hours? I'm going to be going into a meeting here pretty soon.
No worries. What is your best email address? I'll send you the details and I'll follow up with you Monday morning because I'm going to be leaving the office here soon. I just wanted to shoot you some information and then we can discuss, areas and things of that nature and what I can exactly do for you guys, okay?
Okay, yeah. My email is
Okay.
22@gmail.com.
Okay, perfect. And what's your first name?
Thomas.
Collis?
Yeah, Thomas.
Oh, Thomas. Okay, Thomas. Hey, I appreciate you, Thomas. I'm Maurice. I won't waste your time. I'm very good at what I do. And if you guys have a few trucks, we can make a ton of money. So why don't I call you Monday morning around 6 or would 6:30 be better, a.m.?
6:30 will be fine.
Okay, 6:30? Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. And then I'm going to shoot you a text too, Thomas, just in case, because sometimes people don't get email, and you can take a look at the information that way too. And then I'll call you Monday morning between 6 and 6:30, okay?
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Thomas.
Bye.
Bye. Boo, 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 yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, okay? This is what you do. You pick the phone up and you go to work. Now that was just random. I just wanted to show you guys exactly how I went from 0 to making 6 figures, okay? You gotta pick this phone up, all right? Too many of you guys are scared and you wonder why you don't have any clients. The reason why you don't have clients is you're not making calls, okay? You gotta make calls. Okay, and you got to do it daily, all right? This is not something you sporadically do. This is something you put in the work. You got to put in the work. Too many people are struggling because they're lazy, all right? This is all you got to do, ladies and gentlemen. You guys already know the spiel, okay? If you want my scripts, you want the process, you want the rebuttals and all that stuff, all you got to do is click the link in the description. You guys can sign up for the ICP, okay? But the moral of the story, the moral of this training, okay, is to show you guys what you need to do all right, to get more clients, okay? And what you need to do is pick up the phone. I'm gonna tell you this, okay? If you're not putting in a minimum of 1 to 2 hours a day, okay, ladies and gentlemen, you're gonna fall short of the mark, all right? Especially for my new people. And let me say this too, because a lot of you guys have fears, okay? This is another one, all right? The way you eliminate fear, you have to attack your fear. And the only way to do it is to go to Craigslist, go to Yelp, go to Google, Facebook, find some businesses and make that first call. And then make that second call, all right? It's not as bad as it seems. Now, here's what happened with old Thomas, all right? I was ready. That was just my first call, okay? I started the training off making calls. You guys know what I do on my channel. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. You guys know I go beast mode. I just don't tell you what to do. I actually do it with you, all right? A lot of guys tell you what to do, and that's fine. Information is good, but you guys know I like to drink my own soda, all right? I love to drink my own soda, so I don't tell you to do something I don't do myself, all right? And I love making cold calls. I don't have to make as many, all right? I don't have to do it regularly because I've paid my dues and I have tons of clients. And anytime I want a client, all I got to do is pick the phone up. But however, I love making cold calls, so I do it for you guys to show you what's required if you want to hit 100K a month, 100K a year, all right? You can't hit 100K a month. I'm halfway there myself. But my point is, most of you guys want to make 6 figures, 10K a month, all right? And if you guys want to do it, it's gonna come through picking the phone up, all right? It's not gonna come through chilling on the couch, watching TV. You got to put in the work. It's not gonna come through watching all of my YouTube videos, all right? You got to do something, all right? And it's required for you to pick this phone up, all right? You got to do it. So get used to it, okay? But once again, to get over your fears, ladies and gentlemen, pick the phone up. You want more clients, make calls daily, okay? You got to put in the work. There's no such thing as something for nothing. You want 5 clients, you want a couple clients paying you $1,000 to $2,000 a month, you got to go to work, okay? You want to check, you got to go get a job and you got to work, or they're not going to pay you. So if you want clients, it's going to require for you to get this phone. Now, if you guys are having deep problems, deep issues, don't sit out there and suffer. Hire a coach, okay? Get the course, all right? And if course is not enough and you're still not there yet, hire you a coach. You need somebody to work with you weekly to pull the negativity out of you to make you do the activity. Because here's my thing, ladies and gentlemen. I went from $0 to making 6 figures my first year in SMMA. And guess what I did? I made this phone my friend. But here's the flip side of it. You know, I was just like you. I was scared too. But I looked at my reality. I looked at my bank account. I looked at my pocket. There was no money. You know what I mean? I was tired of more month at the end of more month at the end of the money. I wanted more money at the end of the month, and that wasn't happening punching the clock. So I said, hey man, I got to pick this phone up. I got to make these dollars. I got to set appointments. You got to book appointments. You see that appointment that I just booked? I booked an appointment. Now imagine doing that 10 times a week. Out of 10, you're going to get 1. You're going to get 1 client out of 10. You set 10 appointments, you may get 1. You may get 2, depending upon who you're talking to and how your energy level is, okay? But folks, that's it. I'm done. I just wanted to show you guys exactly what you need to do. If you guys need help, click the link in the description. You can sign up for the ICP. If you need help, you're not getting clients, you've been doing this a long time and you're still bumping your head. You're bumping your head. Hire a coach, okay? You guys can find out about that in the description where I can help you guys go from 0 to 10,000. But yeah, it's a large investment. It's not for everybody. It's for those that are serious. If you're not a subscriber of the channel, make sure you subscribe. I put out fire like this on a regular. On a regular. Hit the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. Comment below. Let me know what you guys thought about that. That was just a spare of the moment. I wanted to train. I wanted to make some cold calls. I just want to show you guys how simple cold calling can be. All right. Normally I dive a little bit deeper, but I just want to show you the simplicity of what I'm doing. Now, I'm going to send him over a presentation. So many people ask me, Maurice, what are you going to text him? What are you going to email? It's a ready-made presentation. If you guys want it, I put one together for you so you don't have to do it. Yes, it costs money. Okay? It takes money to make money. Write that down, folks. A lot of you guys just want everything free. Okay, that's not how business works. It takes money to make money. It takes money to make money, okay? So if you guys want a pre-done presentation, all right, that I'm gonna send to this client, click the link. You can sign up for the ICP, and then it also gives you an opportunity to buy a done for you presentation that all you got to do is load it up on your server and email it to the potential prospect. They watch it. It does a lot of the selling and telling for you. All right. It does the heavy lifting for you so you don't have to create it yourself. Click the link in the description if you guys want that. If not, pick the phone up, make some calls. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.